In my last video, I showed you the official design of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. And now Nothing just announced the official design of the Nothing Phone 3A, as well as their new Essential Space programmable button. So today I'm gonna tell you about it. So for design, I'm only gonna tell you what's different from the 2A. So instead of the two cameras, there's now 3 cameras on this phone, and they've made it like a camera bar, which looks really similar to the Pixel 9, just without the flash inside of the camera bar. So there's 2 cameras that are like merged together, and then there's another camera next to that, and they are bridged together with this little piece. And then the flash is over that. And I actually think this looks really good. It's definitely way less controversial than the design of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. So I really like this. So now that we got that out of the way, let me tell you about this new programmable button that Nothing is putting on the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro, which looks really exciting. So this button is triggering something they're calling Essential Space. And they showed this screenshot about what the Essential Space can do in their announcement for Nothing Phone 3A Pro. So here is what it can do. So first up, they say pick up key information where it left off, take a quick note from memory, and then transcribe and summarize what's on your mind. So before I tell you what I actually think these Essential Space features do, let me show you the teaser that Nothing recently put out. So I actually think this is going to be sort of like a Nothing Notes app, this Essential Space. And then it would use AI to like summarize your notes and your screenshots and to find notes and screenshots. And this is because they said with a little help of AI in their teaser. So take a quick note from memory could be like taking a screenshot and then you can add a note to it. Pick up key information where you left off could be like it takes a screenshot every time you close an app, and then after a certain period of time it deletes it, but then you can look through the apps you've opened. If there's like key information that you accidentally closed, then you can look through it again. And then transcribe and summarize what's on your mind. You could transcribe a note and then AI could summarize it for you. And then in the Essential Space app, you could look through your notes and screenshots and search through it, and then AI find screenshots and notes based on what you typed, which would be really useful. And then AI could also summarize your notes. So this is what I think the Essential Space is going to do, and I think this is really exciting. And even if it's not that, even like an AI notes app of any kind sounds really cool, except for like if it's as good as Apple Intelligence, that wouldn't be that good. But anyways, this was a very short video because I needed to get this video out quickly before the event on March 4th. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you want to see content about this phone when it comes out, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.